Now let's move on to the last exercise related with this chapter, in which we are going to discuss a comprehension first, and then we will discuss the questions and answers related with this comprehension. Read the passage and answer the following questions given at the end. The Magi, as you know, were wise men, wonderfully wise men, who brought gifts to the newborn Christ child. They were the first to give Christmas gifts. Being wise, their gifts were doubtless wise ones. And here I have told you the story of two children who were not wise. Each sold the most valuable thing he owned in order to buy a gift for the other. But let me speak a last word to the wise of these days. Of all who give gifts, these two were the wisest. Of all who give and receive gifts, such as they are the most wise. Everywhere they are the wisest ones. They are the Magi. Now let's move on to the questions related with this comprehension. Who were the wise men? The answer is, the Magi were the wise men who brought gifts to the newborn Christ child. The second question is, who were the first to give Christmas gifts? And the answer is, the Magi were the first wise men who gave Christmas gifts. The third question is, were these two the wisest? The answer is, yes. These two were the wisest of all those who gave gifts. The next question is, write the main idea of the passage. And the answer is, this passage revolves around the idea that true love knows no boundaries. And the Magi were the wisest of men because they valued love so much that they sacrificed their most precious possessions in order to exchange gifts. So here we are done with the last exercise as well. I hope you have understood this explanation very well. We will discuss exercise of the next chapter in the next video, inshallah. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. Allah Hafiz.